man. Listen.
It's going down.
Live
April 10th.
Live from Philadelphia. You see the man.
April 10th is going down.
Miami, Florida.
Miami. Listen, I'm a
Wallow 267.
It's going to be a heat one. It's going to be 210. We coming down there. I'm going to destroy down that joint. Ain't playing no games, man. April 10th, where you going to be able to get your tickets now, it's going down Miami. I'm telling you, it's going to be hotter than it ever been in Miami.
Man, nigga got the dopest channel on YouTube, man. Wallow 267. $1 million worth
Sean
of game podcast. Wallow 267 on Instagram.
Sir.
Wallow 267 on YouTube. Check my man out. Come to Miami, man.
It's going down.
It's an investment. We're going to talk about entrepreneurship, leadership, motivation is what you want. We're going to be up close and personal. You're going to be able to rap to my man. You need to be there. Yo, Wallow, man. I appreciate you, man.
Be there. For me, man. My man Sean G, we waiting for y'all, and it's just like that.
Newark, New Jersey. We down here in the breaks.
Can't stop, won't stop.
Check them out, y'all. Friend to the channel. Check them out.
Well, we chopped it up about 3 years ago, Sean G?
Yeah, we was up in the Bronx at Grit City Gym. Shout out to my man Giant up there in the Bronx.
You say ain't nothing changed.
Still the same?
Even better.
Check them out, y'all.
Even better.
We down here, we in Newark, we at the Calisthenics Park. That money clean.
Now you want to stay shredded?
Ripped up, y'all. That's how you stay shredded right there, Cocaine?
Oh, yeah. I'm going to put him on, gang. Give me one more minute.
954 Fort Lauderdale.
I'm going to put him on, gang.
Hollywood, Liberia.
Give me one more minute. Sean G, talk to me, man.
Check them out, y'all. Go, what you got, some of the burpees right there?
You know this how you stay lean year round. I ain't lift weights about 3-4 months.
Hollywood, Florida.
Now I'm gonna show y'all how to work out. I'm gonna walk right here back and forth. I'm gonna show you how to work out. 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Guess what? I train the most important muscle. See, you don't see this muscle right here. That heart, you don't see this muscle.
That's work right there. Yo, that groundwork is where the money at, man.
Oh yeah, that ground gonna make a man out you. See, you train the muscles that look good, you hit that heart, everything else gonna look good. You wanna stay lean, shredded, ease up off of the food a little bit. Stop eating so much.
Get down on this ground, y'all. Something with this ground that he like.
That's all I've been doing for what? Past 3-4 months. Shout out to my boy K.
You just been doing, Navy SEAL. Hollywood, Florida, man. 954, man. South Florida.
I promise you get on that ground, this will be the longest 10 minutes of your life. That's all you need.
10 minutes on the ground, Cole?
That's all you need. See, working out is about just keeping it moving. Keeping it moving. That's all. You want to keep it moving, stop eating so much.
Face this way, Cole. There you go. Yeah, right there with that sun.
Stop eating so much.
Stop eating so much, Cole.
High intensity workouts. High intense everything. Stop eating so much.
Check the dreads out, y'all. Check them out, y'all. Yo,
Yeah.
Cole, why you keep saying cocaine? Why you keep saying stop eating so much, man?
Cause you gotta treat your body like a car, right? So I'm gonna give y'all the rundown. You got a lot of people say you can eat McDonald's, Burger King, all that BS. Yeah, you could and still look a certain way, but it ain't gonna run like this right here. You get what I'm saying? See, this is what you want your shit to run like. You want your shit to look like a Lambo and run like a Rari. You get what I'm saying?
Check them out, y'all.
So if you goddamn go put sugar in a Lamborghini tank, it ain't going nowhere. I don't care how much the car costs. It ain't going nowhere.
What you eat, Cocaine? What kind of foods you eat?
Ground turkey, chicken, asparagus, broccoli, for my carbs, rice or potatoes. This shit ain't rocket science. Stop making it rocket science. It ain't rocket science. 2, 3, 4, 5. But now that I just started driving trucks, I'm only eating 1 time a day now because my body is not moving as much. So I gotta balance that out. You get what I'm saying? So in the morning, I go and get me a coffee.
Check them out, y'all. Check them out, y'all.
So in the morning, I go and get me a coffee and I won't eat till about 12. After that, I get me a good little lunch in, nothing too heavy, cause now I'm finna go work out. Now that's my gas that I'm putting in my goddamn Ferrari to hit the highway.
How many days a week you working out, Cocaine?
Like I said, I just started driving trucks, so I've been struggling for like 2 to 3. But when I was just working out, I was doing 2 days, 6 to 7 days a week. I rest when I feel like resting. So say for instance, I go in the gym, I put 135 on the bar, that bitch feel like 315. That means it's time to rest.
There you go.
But if that motherfucker
Check them
working,
out, y'all. Check them out, y'all. That wide grip.
oh yeah.
You cut up, y'all. Hollywood, Florida, Liberia.
But yeah, man, a lot of people ask me,
Cocaine, supplements, steroids, creatine, any of that?
nope, groundwork. Groundwork.
How old are you?
I'm 27.
27?
Yeah.
Where you from?
I'm from Florida, Danny to be exact. But I was raised half my life in Florida, half my life in Georgia. So shout out to my country boys too.
What part of Georgia?
Rennes, Georgia.
Rennes?
706, yeah, Augusta. All that, y'all stand up.
Okay, Richmond County, all that.
Yeah, but now I'm up in Virginia.
What's
so
your
shout out to
background,
Richmond,
Cocaine?
too.
You from the islands? You from
Nah, man, I'm American, man.
Foundation
African American. You see them slave genetics. You see them slave genetics, man. You can't hide this shit, man. You can't hide this shit, man.
That's that Georgia, Florida thing, y'all. 27 years old, y'all. This is beautiful, man.
So I'm working out today for tomorrow. You get what I'm saying?
Cause what you gonna be in the truck all day tomorrow?
I'm gonna be in the truck all day tomorrow. Be in the truck all day Saturday. Be in the truck all week. But the thing is, I'm eating less, so I'm good. I'm already in shape because I train my heart first.
But Cocaine, they be like, man, you gotta eat a lot, man. You know what I'm saying? If you wanna
Man,
get
that's bullshit. Check it out. I ain't never seen no obese kids over there in Africa cross them waters. I ain't seen it yet. Now, one thing I do know, them kids ain't stuffing their face every 30, 45 minutes. Now, over here on this side of town, I see obese kids, obese human beings, 24/7. It just don't add up. So a motherfucker telling me to eat more to lose weight, that sound like Chinese math to me.
Check them out, y'all.
So just stop eating so much,
All right, man, I see you. Yeah, you
Stop
see
eating so
it?
much. Excuse me,
You
bit,
see
bro.
it? You're
Yeah.
on the dip bar now. You're on the dip bar.
And when you work out, just keep going. You want to get your heart rate up as high as possible every workout. That's what I do. So when I'm in the gym, I ain't making friends. I ain't even making content. I'm up here right now on a work mission, but I had to come see about the OG, the realest in the game, man. Gunby Publishing.
Appreciate you, Cocaine.
I had to come see about the OG. We can go all day. I don't get time.
Y'all see how he look, man. You see what he doing? A lot of this is groundwork, man. And if you go on his Instagram, that's gonna be underneath this video. You're gonna see Cocaine doing a lot of groundwork, man.
Oh yeah,
Uh-oh,
keep moving.
Check him out, y'all.
we keep moving.
Check him out, y'all.
That's all. We keep moving.
Check him out, y'all.
We keep moving.
Yo,
Now
yo, Cole.
Yeah.
So you got a gym down in Virginia, right?
Yeah, Investor Transition. We right there for Eubanks in Laburnum in Richmond, Virginia. We train athletes, dogs, cats, sisters, brother, all that.
Whoever come down there.
Everybody come get some work. And guess what? I practice what I preach.
Check 'em out.
So I ain't showing you no BS.
Ripped up, yo.
Now look, that's all I wanted. I got me a sweat, now my workout just started. You get what I'm saying? So everything ain't gotta be written down on a piece of paper, typing this up, typing that up. You holding yourself back. Just do it, like
Just
Nike
train.
say, dog. Just go get the moving. If you want results, stop eating so damn much.
Go, give me your Instagram, man.
Y'all go follow me on Instagram right now at @CoKenya_LL. It's LL, but it's supposed to be 2 because I'm a junior.
That link gonna be underneath this video. And then check out his gym, man. What's the name of the gym again, Kenya?
Invested Transition, Richmond, Virginia.
Y'all check my man out. Go to anybody in Richmond, close to Richmond.
Yeah.
Hit him on his Instagram. Tell him you want to come down. You do personal training and all that. You
Yeah.
give nutrition and all that.
Yeah, all that. I just gave y'all the rundown on nutrition. This shit ain't rocket science, man. I'm telling you,
Yeah.
it ain't rocket science.
Yeah.
I watched the interview with Melly Mel. Your stomach ain't but this big. He ain't lying. Stop eating so much, man. Do some work. Do some work.
Yo, Cole, listen, man. Thank you for letting me get this in. You want to do another set?
Shit, I'm true to that ground.
Check 'em
This
out,
right
check.
here ain't leaving me, dog. If you want to stay lean and you want to keep your strength, hit that ground. Every workout I hit the ground, I'm doing about 1,200-1,500 push-ups, 400-500 burpees. Every day. Every day. So, you want to stay lean, keep your strength, hit that ground. You can do this anywhere.
Yo, man. Follow Cocaine. Cocaine, your peace, man.